buy some property and get to it. Okay?
Yeah. If you didn't know, now you know.
Welcome back to another video.
Welcome back from Future Celeste and Andrew. We always forget to film a little intro. Not always, but
Most
for
of the
the
time.
most part, we do, yeah. In this video, we're installing all our windows.
Learning process, but it got pretty easy on the last couple windows, so stoked with how it came out for sure.
Sit back, relax. It is our longest video yet. Sketch basin.
So obviously everything we do here is professional, always proper attire. We got gloves on, we got eye protection, we got footwear, long sleeves for the metal shavings. I'm actually gonna put on glasses for that one.
Spoke too soon. Andrew banged from the inside. You would have seen previously. Now I'm just gonna trace with a Sharpie around to give us a little extra guidance. Metal shavings.
Yeah,
I say a long sleeve for you.
my ears are ringing.
I don't know if you could tell from that video, but we originally were gonna cut from the inside of the van. But since we didn't have an Allen key to take off the guide on the jigsaw, it was hard to make these little like curved cuts in there. It just wasn't working. So we came to the outside, but first Andrew nailed in a screwdriver from the inside out so we could see where the line was, where we needed to cut.
First, I'll hold it up like.
Okay, so where you're holding, I'll do it. We're still waiting time.
So what you doing, Celeste?
Priming before the U3. Got the clamps on. lunch break.
Huh? Oh my gosh, no. All right. Hey!
What can I do?
When we do the crate homes, that's gonna be our next project.
Yeah.
Okay. You guys will know how to do all this.
Yeah.
Let's buy some property and get to it. Okay?
Yeah. You need your own channel. Soon.
All right. Cut.
Mom out.
Mom out.
Hurry up. It's Saturday. You guys know what day it is. It's market day.
Yep. No band work.
You didn't know, now you know.
So, Celeste is at work. I'm drilling out this hole for the other window. So, hopefully there's no complications doing it alone. Just pre-drilling holes right now, obviously. I'm doing a few pilot holes because I have to bang so hard to get the outline that I don't want to be that neighbor who's banging it. It is so hot out here. All right, because for some reason in my mind right now, I think that me drilling tiny holes will be better than like banging this hammer against this flathead relentlessly against that to create my outline. I'm gonna drill a bunch of tiny holes because this tiny one isn't quite as loud as those bigger ones. So let's see. All right, so drilled all my little pilot holes that I'm doing as my outline. I think I'm gonna stack up this window box on top of the Max air fan box in front of this and cover this with the Windows box so none of the shrapnel is shooting this way into the van. I'll get a shot of that right now. Figured I might as well get a before and then after sort of thing. So before. All right, here is my wall. There's enough clearance on this side to where the little bit of jigsaw blade here won't be able to touch any of this. So No need to worry there. I'm not gonna film myself out there because I can't find the tripod. Oh, coconut water break. God, it would be fantastic to be sponsored by Harmless Harvest. I'll just walk around with a coconut in my hands like that. Easy ad. Harmless Harvest, where you at? All right, window time. Safety glasses. I need long sleeves. Oh, after. There it is. My plan with my wall here clearly worked very well. Look at this divide of no shrapnel and then a boneyard. So we're looking pretty clean everywhere. Definitely gonna vacuum this side, but it came out pretty good. No complaints with that method, that's for sure. We're gonna rust-oleum this thing and let it dry. Wait for Celeste to come home. All right, we're back. Changed my shirt, obviously showered after that sweat mess, but here we are. Here's the window. Well, thing to keep the insects out. Got our weather stripping here, primer. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. This is gonna go around perfectly, but it's not. Clearly, the scissors are upstairs, so I'm gonna primer it since this doesn't really need to be cut for that. I'm just using the whole thing. We only need this one for this window. Well, watch this. Boom. It's not actually Myers, it's just rubbing alcohol.
My mice. Filmer reporting for duty.
Oh, hey there. So we're putting our plugs in our window here. I'll try not to say too many times. But Van Windows Direct has some of the worst instructions I've ever read. Clearly someone who got fired from Lego. And
What?
when you put these in, you can't just push them straight in. You gotta come at them from an angle like this. Just come in like 1/3 of the way in it. You don't even need to, see, I'm just going in right in the middle there, push it over. Then just keep pressing it in there.
Until your thumbs are sore.
Yep. Just keep pressing it in and pushing it over. And then you might eventually get it in there. And look at that. Couldn't even do it for the camera. Because it's so incredibly... Oh,
Nice.
But yeah, here you go.
Plug holes, plug holes, plug holes.
Waited about 10 minutes between doing a couple of those to filming this because my thumb was sore.
Gonna hit this open cut again with Rust-Oleum. You know the drill. Look at all that metal debris. Bye. About to install the Bunk side window, clamp window. Overlander universal clamp Bunk window.
That's a mouthful.
Yes.
My eyes are closed, correct. It is very bright out.
Yes, but this is a good lighting.
Yeah.
Yeah. One person has to be on the outside holding it, and then the other person has to be on the inside drilling it. Hopefully we can get a decent angle on that.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, we lost a tripod, so. Let's go. We got a window.
To the window. To the wall.
Future Celeste again, here to say, please like and subscribe. We haven't said that yet. I keep forgetting to also say that. It means a lot. If not for us, for Milo.
Stuff's actually pretty sticky.
It's like Christmas.
Seriously. These other ones are on so hard that have been on this other one. They're like stuck. Wow.
Woo!
Crazy.
We got windows. We need to get the
Mercedes
thing.
emblem.
Yeah. Or our faces in a circle here. That'd be hilarious. Or no, because people don't know who lives there. They'd want to meet these beautiful people.
Yeah, we could just get like an Earth, maybe.
Oh, an Earth would be cool. All right, guys. This is us in a nutshell. My ball, Andrew's ball.